guys, welcome back to Namaste again. Another beautiful day in Southern California. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Sunforce that I bought from Costco. I actually needed this light for my house, so you know what? I figured, you know what? I'm gonna do an unboxing and install it for you guys to see. And if you guys like it, yeah, it's at Costco for 40 bucks. It's a really good deal. I mean, it's a solar powered, so there's no need to connect to a live cable. Now let's get started. So first off, you get the instructions on how to install it. Okay. Next is screws and brackets. The light. The reason why I actually got this light because I saw that you actually can move the light to any different angles. So you can move the light to any angle you want. So that's actually pretty cool because it's not just directed to the front or the bottom. You can actually do the sides. So it's actually have a bigger, wider lighting surface. And then the last thing that's inside the box, or maybe not the last thing, is the solar panel. There's a battery cell in here that'll charge up and then it'll light up at night. This is a sensor right here. And you can see down here, you can have the timer on and off switch. So it's actually pretty cool. What's in here? If there's anything else. And that's it. Actually, I think the installation is going to be pretty easy. All you do is, I'm assuming you just take this out. Oh, okay, that's easy. This is super easy. You gotta mount it on the top of your roof and just slide this in. This is super easy. Okay, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button and comment below. Let's get started. With this outdoor light, it comes with anchors, but I'm screwing it to hard piece of wood. So I'm not gonna use the anchor because there's no need for it. It's for mostly drywall. I figured out the best place for my light. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna screw it in. Get that go down. So the next step is, what I'm doing next is, I think I'm gonna do like this to absorb the sunlight when it comes this way. You can adjust it, but I feel like it's gonna absorb enough sunlight by the end of the day. You know what? I'm gonna change my mind. I'm going to hook it over there because we have a long cable.
What is it?
So I'm gonna start right here because the sun, it's gonna be on this side at the end of the day. It's really strong and it's really bright. So it's gonna absorb a lot of sunlight before it gets dark. So there you have it. That's the light. I installed it. It's pretty simple. It's not that hard. It takes like maybe 30 minutes. And that's about it. I'll show you guys how it looks like when it's at night, how bright it is. Hey guys, so as you can see, it's very dark right now. So I'm gonna switch the light on to let you guys see how it looks like and when it lights up, how bright it is. So let me switch it on. Bam! Super bright. Look how bright it is. It's amazing how bright this light is. Like, I'm very impressed. So yeah, so it has motion sensor, and if you stop moving, then it'll turn off in 4 seconds. But if you keep it moving, it's gonna stay on. And look how bright this is. Yeah, excuse the mess. There was a party a couple days ago at the backyard. But yeah, it's really I'm very impressed with the amount of light it comes out from that little solar panel right there. And there's what I read on the instruction is there is battery back there and the rechargeable battery. So yeah, so let me show you how many seconds it takes for it to turn off. Let me get out the motion sensor. Okay, 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000. Okay, and within 5 seconds it turns off, and then bam, back again. Yep. So if you're looking for a porch light or a floodlight, or if you just don't want to connect to an outlet, I mean, this is a perfect way to do it. I really like it. I mean, for 40 bucks, you can't beat this. It takes you 30 minutes to install. I mean, you might be faster. The more you install, the faster you can get. I mean, you can put one in every corner of the roof and it costs you maybe $160. I mean, it's perfect. Yep. Well, there you have it. So if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below.